Okay, first, already you have some user ID and a password with you. So I already discussed with password and everything. So first, listen the class. That means this session. Maybe already you know about Moodle previously. It is okay. If you don't know, also no okay. But a lot of options are there in Moodle. So I will go through which is useful to us. That's it. Okay, I will go through which one is useful to us. That one only I will discuss. Okay, right now I'm starting my session. So just to go to this thing, and here Stanley LMS done. ఇగో అయిపోయింది ఎల్లు అయిపోయింది ఎల్లరా yeah. So this is the site actually, stanleylms.switcha.org. So here it shows like this, but you need to log in with your credentials. So my credentials are username and password. I think you have password with you. Change me, that is the password for you. So once you join into this thing, remember username and password like that. You need to click. So login. Okay, so here in this actually you have 3 different roles. As a admin, you have a lot of powers. That means you can change, you can delete a course, you can change a teacher, you can change any student from one session to another session. So like that, you have a lot of powers. That means you are the supervisor for this thing. Actually, admin is only one person, but due to limited time, the admins are several members right now. So go to this thing. Here, dashboard is showing which course is activated. Right now, how many members are used that course, like that it will show. That is the dashboard. Always it shows how many members are there in online. So only one member is there. Okay. So last 5 minutes, okay, Raghu is there here. Because you are not logged in right now, so that's why it is not showing. So like this, number of people it will show. So for suppose 500 members also, it will show what they are doing and everything. That is the dashboard. And here one more thing is the site home. So in this site home, we have miscellaneous is the thing, because Stanley is the most priority, and after that miscellaneous is the one of the thing. So we are taking our courses in this. So here CSC, ECE, IT, CME, EEE, AI, DS, like this. You have different courses. These are called course categories. So for suppose if you want to create a course, so in which category you want to do. So this one you need to do. So now I want to tell first admin roles. So now this class is about admin roles first. So go to, because you are the admin, I am not a teacher right now, I am the admin. Same way you are also admin, you are not a teacher. Teacher have limited roles, only is able to edit anything in his course or her course. Okay, but admin have all permissions. You can edit or you can delete any course from ECE. For suppose in ECE already we did some courses. For 6th sem, 2 courses I already did. Okay, this is my subject, embedded systems for same ECE2. So embedded systems ECE1. So like that I did a lot of courses. So this is, now I am talking about only the course which is related to admin. Admin means we are authorized in all this. So how to add this course? So already EEE is added, CME is added, IT is added. How to add one more course? For suppose one more course is there in our college. So how to add that one I will tell right now. Okay, so go to this thing, site administration and courses. So manage courses and categories. Manage courses and categories. So in this, miscellaneous is there. Miscellaneous is our main category. In this main category, EC already done. These are all already done. So here in miscellaneous only, I want to do one more, create new subcategory. Okay, create new subcategory. So in this, first here miscellaneous is my main category. The category name I am giving. For suppose AI is a new course. Okay, because first year is going to come right now. That's why AI. So now the course description, what you want, if you want to mention anything, so different regarding department and everything, you can do. So department of AI. Simply I'm giving some description about that thing. So that is not mandatory. So create category. Done. So now one more course is added here. See, so same way if you want DS also, you need not to do these things, but if it is required, you need to do that one. Okay, so create new subcategory in miscellaneous. So once again you go here and category name DS, data science is also there. So data science, so department of data science. Okay. So save category. Okay, now this is done. This is done. So here, once again, if you go to site home, now see ECE, CSE, IT, CME, EEE, AI, DS, all these courses are there. So if you go to this ECE, so here I am talking about two things. One is 5th sem and 3rd sem and 7th sem. If you want to add 5th sem also here, how to add? So once again, go to site administration. So go to courses, manage courses and categories. In this, go to ECE. Here, not in miscellaneous. Here, just to create new subcategory. Okay. So now it is miscellaneous under ECE. We are doing right now. So category name is 5th sem, because only remaining thing is 5th sem. 5th sem. Okay. So this is the thing. So now you can write anything. So that is nothing but 2022 passed out batch. This one, yes, 2022, I think. Yeah, sem means 2022 batch. Description, that is not mandatory, but we can. So create category. Like this, you can create all your sections. That is nothing but first year, second year, like that. Now you go to site home. You are able to see in ECE there are, yeah, 7th sem is there, 3rd sem is there, 5th sem is there. So if I want to create only one thing, I will create in this session. After that, we will skip this step. Okay. So site administration. In CSE, I am creating 3rd sem. Okay, courses. Like that, you need to create for EEE, IT as well as HNS everywhere. So that is required. Now, manage courses and categories for CSE. Yeah. So I'm creating new subcategory. So miscellaneous CSE 3rd sem. 3rd sem. Okay. So if you want to talk about 3rd sem, so they are passed at 2023 passed out batch or 2019 to 23. So like that, you can give some description. 2019 to 2023 batch. So create category. So like this, you can create any categories. So first you need to do all these things. I am talking about already Pragati madam here only. So for suppose if you are ECE already done. So for EEE and IT people and who are taking care about AA and DS also, they will do like that. So that is nothing but course categories already completed. So this is one role. As an admin, you need to create all these categories. Okay, now. So this is a somewhat difficult step. I hope you are writing or you are recording or something, what you are doing. So this is somewhat different and you need to follow this one properly. Okay. So first here users, because you want to add your all students. Yes? You want to add all your students in section wise. For suppose CSE having 3 sections. For IT and EEE it is very easy. Only have one section. For CSC, it is 3 sections, and ECE, it is 2 sections. That's why I am showing here ECE 5th sem. How to add all the students of ECE 5th sem, I am showing right now. And 2 sections, I want to do in 2 sections. Same way for triple E, only 1 section, there is no problem. But how to recognize them? That means whenever you want to do bulk operations on users, what do you want to do? So that thing, for that purpose, I will explain step by step. So adding of students, okay, to your courses. Okay, course we are not created yet. Only we created categories. Now we are going to create users. Okay, so for that, here in users, lot of categories are there. So if you want to add single user, for suppose some lateral entry or some data entry student or somebody came, so at that instant, add new user. Here, add new user. That is nothing but single user purpose. Now I am not using single users. I want to add my 124 students at a time, bulk number of students at a time. So for that, here one option is there, upload user, upload user. Okay, so this one I want to take, upload user. So here upload user asking for one file, that is nothing but CSV, a comma separated value file, CSV file, .csv file it is asking. So how to prepare that file? Now I will tell that thing. This is the main step in your all preparation. Okay, so better you go to your Google Drive. Otherwise, you can do in your Excel sheet also, but better it is Google Drive. Okay. This format I will give to everyone. So because it requires certain format, because fields are same for all. This one I will send to everyone to your email, no problem. Okay. So here username is the first field, username and first name, last name, password, email. So these are the fields what you are going to give. So here, for suppose this is already I given to third sem. Now third sem if I am giving, it doesn't take. Okay. For suppose if I am giving any third sem student, it doesn't take. Same email ID is not going to take for one more student because fields are going to match. So for that, without match, you need to give. The first thing is username. Username is simply their roll number, and first name is also their roll number, and how to recognize each student. For suppose if I want to transfer one student from one section to another section, so basis on this thing, this is nothing but our primary key. So you are taking this one as a primary key. That means if you want to do bulk number of students, so from one place to another place, so ECE third sem 1, that is 1 is represent my section. Okay, so for suppose you have 3 sections, so here I have 3 sections for this. You see, first up to 50 numbers, it is section 1. So from 51 to it is section 2. Okay, so up to 95 it is okay. After 95 it is third section. So like this I divided, because I know as an admin I know this thing. Student, teacher doesn't know what is happening here, and the student also don't know what is happening here. Only you are the admin, you know. The key depends upon your requirement, depends upon your memory power. So you can give this one. How to manage your students, that is your challenge. Okay. So this is easy for me, that's why I am giving here. Okay, now right now this is third year one. So now I don't want these roll numbers exactly. So that's why I want to take my roll list. Okay. So this is my actual roll list of 5th sem. This is my 5th sem roll list, which is came from admin. This is a tentative roll list. I think everyone have this thing. Copy. just to paste in place of. Okay. So this is nothing but same roll numbers already I pasted here. So total 124 students I pasted here. So this is not required for me. Same thing I need to place in place of first name also. Yes. Manjot madam and Srilata madam, Surabhi madam and H&S.
H&S Balantra.
Yes, yes.
ఒకసారి ఆమెతో విడిగా మాట్లాడాలి.
Yes. So I pasted both fields same. Username and the first name are both are same.
సార్ మీరు ఏం చెప్తారంటే ఈమెయిల్ ఉంటే ఈమెయిలే వాడమని వాళ్ళకి తెలిస్తే
అదే
తెలియనప్పుడు ఏదో ఒక ఈమెయిల్ పెట్టుకోవాలి కదా అప్పుడు ఇలా పెట్టుకోవాలి.
So this is fifth sem, that's why I am converting this as fifth sem. Okay. So for suppose if you are from CSE, here you need to write CSE fifth sem section 1 అయితే section 1, section 2 అయితే section 2. For suppose you are from EEE, you write EEE fifth sem, only one section is there, you need not to mention also, no problem. Yeah. Okay. So do this thing. Okay, so I am drag and drop, so up to section 1. So this is my section 1, up to this thing, section 1 only.
సార్ మీరు ఇటు కూర్చోండి అయితే ఇది ఇటు తిప్పుకుంటే అయిపోతుంది కదా. ఇది ఇందులో ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ప్రొజెక్టర్ కావాలా?
ఇంకా అందరు ఇక్కడే ఉంటే బెస్ట్ ప్రొజెక్టర్ కానీ లేరు కదా. ఓన్లీ వాటర్ ఉన్నాయి మేడం.
అంటే యాక్చువల్గా నేను 17 అని పెట్టాను, కానీ ఇవాళ చేస్తేనే మనం రేపు ట్రయల్ చేయగలం. మనకు ఒక డమ్మీ క్లాస్ క్రియేట్ చేసి వాళ్ళకి అసైన్మెంట్లో క్వశ్చన్ అదే ఎగ్జామ్.
So this is section 1 up to this, to roll number 60. And after that
అందరం చూస్తాం ఎగ్జామ్ రాసుకుని కానీ ఒక ఇద్దరు స్టూడెంట్ని జాయిన్ చేసి చేస్తాం. అది ఓకే అని అర్థమైపోతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ మనం బైండర్లో చేసుకుంటే ఎగ్జామ్.
So this is section 2.
Subjects preferences per day 2 subjects. Final year enrollment. Final year 6. అన్ని 6 అండి. సో మీరు సబ్జెక్ట్ టీచర్లు అన్ని రెడీ పెట్టుకోండి. అండ్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ ఆఫ్టర్ బిఫోర్ 21st. అది శ్రీగారు మీ దగ్గరే పెట్టుకోండి. మీరే
So this is section
పేపర్
2 up to this.
PDF upload చేయొచ్చు కదా.
Okay, so here password also same. So for suppose if you have any password, for suppose that is your choice. Here I am taking password for every student. Password @ECE. CSE. For suppose it is CSE, CSE. You give CSE. Password @CSE or password @of EEE. Password @of IT. So like that you can give anything. So password @of ECE. Okay, you give this thing. Because this is the EC department only, I am giving password @ECE for all my students. 428 members also I am giving like that only. So now, so this is a somewhat different thing. For suppose you have your all student emails. Email is not mandatory. Correct email ID is not mandatory. If you have no problem, if you don't have your student email, at that instant you are going to create a fake email ID, because software only checks for @ symbol. So for that, if it matches, any two emails are going to match, it doesn't accept. So for this, so I am doing one trick here. So to make a fake emails. So for suppose this is a fifth sem. So that's why I am typing here fifth, and here I am typing 1, 2, 3, because fifth sem is common to everyone. Same is common to everyone. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3 I am giving numbers. So these are the different things. If you have real emails, no problem. If this one is you need not to do directly, you can give email address like this. Okay, so here I want to combine both of them. Okay, is equal to lower, yeah, so this field and this field. Okay, fifth two like that, it will go. So this is the way. Okay, now here I am going to type @gmail.com. Okay, now I will comment once again these things. Is equal to lower of this fifth one and Gmail. Okay, so this is common to all, and this formula is also for all. Done. So all fake mail IDs are created. 124 members. Okay, now take this thing. Copy and in the field of this thing you paste special values only. That's it. Okay, so everything is replaced with. Now for 124 members, 125 members, already done with all these fields. Okay, username, first name, last name, password and email. So now these are not required. So once this is done, directly you go to file, download .csv here, .csv here, comma separated values .csv. Directly download this. Okay, this is the spreadsheet. So I will rename it fifth sem ECE. Okay. Fifth sem ECE. So now user upload process will start right now. So fifth sem ECE is here, and I want to browse that thing by using my LMS. Okay. So here you can drag and drop. That is one way, or otherwise choose a file. Choose, and from where I need to choose. So upload a file. Choose that file location. So fifth sem already just now we did. Yeah, fifth sem is open. Okay. Upload. Okay, see, fifth sem ECE.csv is here. So upload users. Okay, at a time you can upload all these users. Okay, so like this we got. So it is showing a preview. Okay, now so here you can set one more primary thing. New user password. Okay, create password if need, send through email. For suppose if you are giving email IDs of their original email IDs, at that instant you can use this thing. If you don't create that thing, you don't use. But this one you must and should do. Force password change. Force password change. This is the setting. Here all. Okay, compulsory when they are joining into the Moodle, immediately they need to change their password, because password is common to all. Yes, we are giving a weak password to all. That's why you need to force this thing. Okay, that's it. And after that, this is city, town, Hyderabad only, ID number, institution, Stanley College of Engineering and Technology, women. Okay, department. For suppose I am EC I am giving. For suppose you are IT, you can give. Okay. So upload users. That's it.
So if you are using the real mail IDs,
Directly you can select this thing. That's it.
what is
We need not to give
allow
password.
the password.
Yeah. They need to check in their mail. They got password. System generated password. That one. So this thing is done. So already I created. Here uploaded list is showing. Any errors are there. So any user is not done. So user created 125 users created at a time. So they are all having weak password. This is a summary what you got. So done. No problem. We only give the password is password at the rate ECE for all the students. All 470 students also having same password. Done. Continue. Or suppose you give your own password, that is no problem. So this is user creation completed. Now user creation is completed. But here you need to keep it in our mind. This one only one thing you need to remember. That is, yeah, this field. Yeah, last name. This is what we require. Last name is required for us. Okay, ECE 5th sem 1, ECE 5th sem 2. This is the last name. That is a key point for us. Okay. Now that is first thing is completed. Now I want to create course. This is the main thing. One more step. First we created categories. Second we uploaded users. And third step. Now we are doing third step. So that is nothing but go to site administration. If you want to add any teacher list, I am going to add all the college list, because already I have all teacher list and email IDs of own email IDs and everything. I will create for every teacher, no problem. Now with existing teachers, there is nothing but 8 members or admins are there. Yeah, eight members or admins are there. So using these 8 members only, I will. So site administration, you can add anything. Course, if you want to add, you can. So from this also you can add courses if you want to create a new course and everything. But from this I don't want to add. Here, from here, I want to add a course. So Here all the things are there. For suppose triple E, if you are triple E, add a new course. Directly you can give add a new course here. Okay. Same way, I am creating some course from one of the section. I will show that. Okay, site home, ECE. So fifth sem, in fifth sem, because already I created subsections also. You know how to create subsection. So miscellaneous ECE fifth sem. Now I want to add a new course. So this is a course full name. So this is somewhat you need to give proper name. Okay. Microprocessors and microcontrollers. Microprocessors and microcontrollers. So here the short name it is asking. So actually MPMC. So this is the keynote. So MPMC. So but here you need to recognize which section. So that's why I'm giving fifth sem ECE. Which section I am mentioning here? Section 1. Microprocessors and microcontrollers. Fifth sem ECE section 1. So here MPMC 1 I am giving. Because for suppose if I want to give 2 times MPMC, it is nothing but once again it doesn't take. It is must and should to separate name every time. That's why MPMC 1, MPMC 2, MPMC 3 if I have 3 sections. Okay. Your name also changed, yes. Fifth sem section 1 or section 2. So depends upon I will give ECE1, ECE2, ECE3 like that. So miscellaneous ECE fifth sem. And here this enable is there, we disable it because course end date when we want to end this course. So we disable this. Okay, this is the starting date. 17th October is the starting date, but end date you disable it. So course visibility you need to show is automatically default what is there. You keep that thing only. So description. If you want to tell about anything about microprocessor and microcontroller, so I am typing simply 8086 and 8085. Okay, 8051. So that is what I am typing right now. But you can give course objectives and everything. You just copy and paste here from syllabus copy. That is the best thing. Okay. Now after that, here, for suppose if you want to give any image for that thing, if you want to give any image for that, you can drag and drop any image. That is nothing but as like a book, microcontroller book or something. So here I am taking some file. So I recently used some file. So this one only I am using for that. Okay. Select this picture. So like this, you can select anything, any image. For suppose if you want to give your own subject, for suppose operating systems. So you can give operating system image from Google. You need to download into your computer. From that you need to give this picture. So that is also not required. Course format. So in Binder already you experienced this thing, yes. So topic format. It is not a single activity format. Single activity in the sense, for suppose only one workshop, one day only, you need to select single format. But this is task based, daily activity you are doing. So that's why I am selecting. I have maybe 52 classes I have. 52 classes. Number of sections 52. I will take 52 classes. That's why I am selecting 52. So hidden sections. No, nothing. There is no hidden section. Course layout. Show all sections on one page. Yes, no problem. Next to appearance. Here you need to select number of announcements. So these all things, same thing you do right now. So here site upload limit. You decrease this thing 50 MB or 100 MB because 1000 MB means maybe student will send videos and everything. That is not required for us. 50 MB is more enough. So otherwise, if you want, you can give 1000, no problem. Next to completion tracking and groups. For suppose if it is a lab subject, you can make section A and section B also. That later we will discuss that thing. So done. Save and return. Right now, save and return. That's it. So this is microprocessors and microcontrollers, 5th sem ECE1. Okay. So for suppose if you want to add new course, same procedure. So section 2 also same procedure. So once again I will send the link because time is already up. So At that instant, I will show how to add your users, your participants into your course. That one we will see in next session. Okay. Within 5 minutes, we will join once again. Thank you. Thank you.